Jugadu Junagadh is a dynamic YouTube channel dedicated to showcasing the vibrant culture, innovative spirit, and unique lifestyle of Junagadh, India. Through engaging videos, the channel highlights local traditions, culinary delights, and creative solutions to everyday challenges, embodying the essence of Jugadu or resourcefulness. Join us to explore the hidden gems and inspiring stories that make Junagadh a remarkable place to discover and celebrate. #Jugadu Junagadh. Welcome to my channel. Hi, I am a nature lover and love to experience, adventure, and explore unspoiled forests. That is my great passion. My videos: bushcraft, survival skills, camping, vlog cabin, off-grid, primitive technology, fishing, wilderness survival and outdoor skills, bushcraft like axes, knives, saws, backpacks, clothing systems, shelters and cooking skills. We hope everyone supports me and subscribes to my Jugadu Junagadh channel. Share videos and contribute comments. Thanks. Please help me reach 100.000 subscribe. / @Jugadu Junagadh. Copyright by Jugadu Junagadh. #Jugadu Junagadh. Copyright disclaimer. Under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for a purpose such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is permitted by copyright statutes that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips the balance favor of fair use. Welcome to Jugadu Junagadh, your ultimate destination for innovative DIY projects, technology hacks, and creative solutions. Join our community of tech enthusiasts, hobbyists, and DIY lovers as we explore the endless possibilities of resourcefulness and ingenuity. Discover exciting gadget reviews, life hacks, and DIY tutorials that inspire and empower you to unleash your creativity. Subscribe now to embark on a journey of discovery and innovation with Jugadu Junagadh.